You can stay here. Hey, hello. Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to teach you about the heart. Okay. So wait a sec. So actually, our heart size, our heart size is make a fist. Make a fist. It's this much. Our heart is just this much. Okay, and it's inside our body. Everybody say that our heart is here, right? The left side of our body. But that's wrong. Our heart is in the between, just little tilted towards the left. So it's called that, yep, it's at the left side. Now, the heart has, many chambers. So there are four chambers in the heart. First is right atrium, left atrium, and right ventricle and left ventricle. So the heart is the main, the organ of our body. It supplies blood to from the heart to the various parts of our bodies, right? But do you know that if that the heart diseases are known as the most deadly diseases? That's because the heart is the mean that means if blood will not be supplied to our body will not work. And if that would be the reason, then if our body will not work, then what are we left with? Nothing. So the working of our the whole body will only work if our heart would work. So the heart is very important. Do you know the heart is the heart, like I told you, just the size of a fist, but everyone, like, we draw a heart like this. So this is just our representation. We just think about it. Some like that that liars, and they make things like, see, this is my heart, so this becomes a trend and this becomes famous. So like that, these hearts became famous. But then when everything would happen, if you would be a doctor and all, you would understand. If you would have so much interest in biology. So a little brother. Okay, so so I told you, right, this and all. Now a heart, it also it tells our body that it doesn't tell, like, really, but the oxygen we breathe, it goes to our lungs, right? We know that. So then the lungs doesn't do everything. We just breathe with our lungs, but the heart also does many things. Like I told you, without the heart we cannot live. If you know the disease known as cardiac arrest, what happens in this disease, like, it is a It is a heredity disease. That means, heredity means, if your mothers would have it or your father would have it, if not your mother father, if your grandfather or your grandmother or somebody more, like your, if your ancestor has that disease, then only you could get it. There's no chance. It's not a communicable disease that if you touch your friend who has this disease in him, you touch him, you will also get cardiac arrest. No. So what happens in cardiac arrest is that the heart misses the beats, like the heart is thuk, 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 thuk. So it miss some beats like thuk, 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 thuk. Like it's missing some of the beats, right? So this is known as cardiac arrest. So yeah, if before I continue, please like, subscribe. Again, please subscribe if you want to watch more knowledgeable videos. Yeah. So let me continue. That, yeah. Now you understood till here. Okay, what does our heart do and all the functions of our heart, the size of our heart till now. Now, the our heart, like I told you, this disease, cardiac arrest. In this disease, the heart misses beats, and many things are done to protect it. Now there are more diseases like the heart attack, which is, everyone knows this disease. So in this disease, so heart attack actually happens when we eat a lot of oily foods. The heart has many arteries and veins. Okay, like the plant has phloem and xylem, our body has arteries and veins. Now the heart is connected to so many arteries and veins. Now one of the arteries which provides all the oxygen and everything to our body. Now if we eat so much oily food, plaque gets collected, and it makes a stoppage. Like if there is a pipe and I fix a small ball in it, and if I put water, like plastic ball in it, if I put water, the water will not pass through the pipe, right? It will take, like it will pass drop by drop. It will not pass like it was passing before. I'll give you a nice example. Yeah. So I'll make a different video to show this experiment. So wait a sec. Hmm. Now, now, yeah. So the I'll make a different video for this. So it would be experiment. So you will be able to see it. Okay, so this was the part one of heart. If you now the second part, I will do it tomorrow, and today I'll also upload one experiment. This one only, which I told that what happens in heart attack. So I'll upload a video for what is heart attack. So you will be able to see it, and you will understand it better. Please like, subscribe for more. Bye. Stay tuned.